Now, you learned how to read and understand error messages and how to find logical errors. Sometimes you want to know the current state of your React app, and whilst you might be able to figure that out with the developer tools, it can be inconvenient. Thankfully, there is a cool extension you can add to Chrome, the React Developer Tools. Let's install it together. You can simply Google for React Developer Tools, and you will find the GitHub repository where you can learn more about them, how to use them, and can even contribute to the project. Or you head right to the Chrome Web Store. No worries, these are free. In the Chrome Web Store, I already added them to Chrome, but you can click Add to Chrome if you haven't done so. Once you added them, you probably need to restart Chrome, and thereafter in the Chrome Developer Tools, you can choose React. This new tab should be available now. There, the cool thing is, you now see your React app as you created it. If you click Toggle Persons, you see something which differs from the normal Elements tab you have though. You don't just see the DOM elements, you see your components too, like the person component here, or the app component. And down there at the bottom, you also see props and state of that component. So for the app component, you see the persons array. And if I click on a person and remove it, this is updated too. So now here you can see your state. You can also change it there. And for the person component, you see it doesn't have a state, but it has props and which props these are. You can also highlight updates so that you see, highlighted here, what changed in your code, like the addition of this class name, for example. So that's pretty cool too. It allows you to quickly understand the state of your components, of your app, and manipulate it, and give you some insights you can't easily get with the normal developer tools, because it goes beyond showing what was rendered. It shows you what's behind the scenes, what's under the hood, basically.